What is that?
Whoopsie!
I see that coming as well.
You saw that coming, didn't you?
Right, yeah, so we are taking baby Zakariya to get registered.
Yep, baby Zach. Or shall I say baby Zakariya?
Baby Zakariya, because you know, that's his name.
That's his name. Baby Zakariya is no longer going to be off-grid, and he's going to be plugged into the matrix today because we are registering him. So,
red pill or the blue pill?
So he's taking the red pill today because we are plugging him in. We're going to get him a tinfoil hat as well so that we can, you know, keep him away from all the electrical signals and all that.
Oh my god, 5 towers.
So yeah, we're just making our way to the registrar office, which in High Wycombe is at the High Wycombe Library.
Library, yeah, which normally you go for books, but yeah, we're going to register him.
We're going to register him. So you have to, when a baby is born, you have to register them within 42 days.
Yeah.
Is that a lovely friend? Hello!
How's
it going?
Registered today.
Yeah, registered today.
Hello!
There he is.
Hello!
Let me see what I can do, alright?
So yeah, you have to register the birth of a baby within 42 days, so you get your birth certificate and all that kind of stuff for ID purposes. Quite important actually, because we soon want to apply for his passport so we can go on some lovely adventures.
Stay tuned, guys. If you haven't subscribed to our lovely channel, make sure you do, because it's going to be an epic year for the 3 of us. And if you're just intrigued about how it is traveling with a newborn and being new parents, then stay tuned.
Look out, we're going to do it all.
Yeah,
we're going to do it all, seriously.
It's all about mindset, honey bunnies.
Yeah. This guy is going to see some wonders of the world.
Yeah, he is.
But let's go through the box. So the interesting thing was there wasn't many instructions on the confirmation email from the council. All it said was bring the baby's little red book, which all parents get when the baby is born, and our IDs. That's about it. So I wonder what they're going to ask us to do.
Yeah, I think it's going to be quite straightforward. I think they've got the NHS number,
Yeah.
which he got as soon as he was born.
Oh yeah, that's true.
So
Yeah.
that'll be linked to his birth certificate, hopefully.
Yeah.
Just make sure we get the spelling right, because my dad spelled my name wrong twice.
Yeah.
I spelled it as my surname. My mum's surname is spelled as AKHTAR, but for some reason I had an ER at the end, so like her. And I
Yeah.
really hated that when I was growing up.
And my brother's name as well is spelled a bit weird as well.
Why did
So
our parents do
just did that. So we have finally figured out how we're going to spell Zakariya's name.
Yeah, you know,
After many deliberations.
Thank you everyone that sent in any gifts and personalised items that spell all different spellings, but we really appreciate it, and I'm sure Zakariya
We love him.
loves it too.
Yeah. So let's see what the registration holds.
Right, so we're entering the council.
Hello. Right, let's do my hand. Birth, registering a birth.
Is it the Irfan Aziz or Zakariya?
Or Nadia Akhtar. Oh, okay, it's under the...
Under the mother's name. Okay.
Ah, okay, cool.
Registrars.
Registrar
by appointment only.
Let's
Which
go.
number that's transport?
Yeah. So we are on ground.
Oh, it's M. Is it
Yeah,
M?
M.
M for mezzanine.
Yeah.
Mezzanine.
Well, that was a bit of kerfuffle, wasn't it?
Oh yeah, I thought it was under Irfan, but obviously it's always under the mother's name.
Yes.
Woohoo!
Ah, I recognise this place. This is where we gave our notice of marriage.
Yeah, we did, girl.
Oh, look. And then there were 3.
Hiya.
So Nadia is entering. Welcome to the world. Thank you very much. Welcome to the world. Fast asleep.
We have got him registered. So, update. Because we are the best parents in the world and we are not legally married.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to do this again when we do get legally married on the 20th of November, which is in...
Couple of weeks.
Yeah, but what, today's the...
10th?
10th.
11th?
11th, yeah, so we've got to come back in like 9 days time. and then we'll get the new record.
Proper birth certificate. The process was fairly straightforward.
Yeah.
What do they ask for? So they asked for his little red book, like I said, our IDs, and then they asked for some information around what I do for a living, what
I
Nadia
do.
does for a living, where he was born, where we were born.
And that's it really.
That's it really, yeah. And so they made a record of Zakariya's entry into the world, like we see here.
A whole new world.
So the situation is, because 2 years ago, well, 3 years ago in 2018, Nadia and I got married, but we got our nikah done, which is the Islamic marriage, but we haven't completed our actual registry,
Which is our legal.
so like the
legally
legally binding marriage in the
law.
UK. We haven't done that yet, and I just remembered today that we have to do that, and booked it in for the 20th, on the 20th, and today's the 11th of November. So we have to register little Zakariya as if we're not married, and then when we get married, we've got a form which we have to fill in and basically get a new birth certificate, which then shows that Zakariya is the son of Mr. and Mrs. legally married in the UK, Nadia Akhtar and Irfan Aziz.
For my Asians or my Muslims,
Yeah.
people that does any car ceremony, just do your legally UK law registry straight away.
There and then on the same day if you can. So we didn't do it. We thought, oh yeah, we'll do it later. We didn't really think we had to and all that kind of stuff, but I would really advise you do it there and then. So that's where we are. That's where we are with the registration. Very simple, straightforward process. It's quite fun as well. And very nice lady in the office that explained everything.
Lovely. So we're just walking through the town and we're making our way home. So I
I'm gonna
think
get a coffee.
Yeah, we should end the vlog here, guys.
Hello Zakariya.
Hello.
Welcome to the world, little kid.
Hello. He's not impressed.
He's not, he wants milk.
So guys, we're going to end the vlog here. We hope you enjoyed coming with us to register our little baby, beautiful Zakariya.
And get him into the world.
We get him to the whole new world. And yeah, we hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe.
Hit that like button.
And remember to follow your visions,
You feel the vision.
because we're going to have some epic adventures coming your way soon.
Boop.